So I've had a couple beers, but anyways, I've never had no issues in this neighborhood. We've never had no issues. I had a 300p and a DUI. So,
Okay.
because they were saying they were gonna shoot up the house.
Yeah.
And my buddy's got his babies in there.
Okay.
And they have my AirPods.
Your AirPods? You're checking your AirPods? How you doing, brother?
I'm alright, bro.
What else is this?
This is my friend. His name's Dave. It's my cousins, and I came out here, bro, and we came out with these people from Las Cruces, and I just met them, and they came out here to drink some beers with us. So I've had a couple beers, but anyways, I've never had no issues in this neighborhood. We've never had no issues. I had a 300p and a DWI, so
Okay.
I'm not driving or doing none of that crazy stuff no more.
Okay.
I learned my lesson.
Good.
But anyways, long story short, I came out, my door was open, and I had a 300 blackout in there and a Glock 19. You could open the vehicle.
Can I open it? Come down here.
My buddy used to date that chick, and she just came down to visit, and that was it.
Did you call her? She called you?
She just was in the area. She called us, and then she let us know.
Wait, did she call you?
Me? Yes, sir. She called us and let us know. I do have the what's it called? The serial numbers for the pistols, but I gotta go to my grandma's to get them.
Where's your grandma's?
Oh, she just lives over the ridge. But I've been drinking, so I'm not driving.
Okay.
But,
So, what we can do, so Deputy Garcia, the sheriff's office. So, what I can do is, I'm going to put an AT out for the vehicle. We came back from Walmart this way, so I haven't seen anybody. So, either they're somewhere in the area,
yes, sir.
or they got past us, okay?
Yes, sir.
What I can do is, I'll give you a case number tomorrow when you're sober.
Yes, sir.
You can give me all the information that you have on the guns. I'll list them as stolen. So if anybody gets them on the line, it becomes stolen. And give me the approximate value of the rifle or the pistol, both pistols, okay?
Yes, sir.
And then obviously you want to pursue charges, right?
Oh, of course.
Okay. So then the other thing is that now I gotta find out to see who Dominic is and the other person. And then you said there was 3 other females. You don't know anyone by
yes,
chance?
ma'am. But they were inside in the house. I believe it was just him and his buddy in that.
Okay. So after you noticed the guns, they just took all y'all just took off and left.
Well, I noticed my door was open, and I was like, hey, well, where's your keys at? Let me search the house, or let me search your vehicle at least to make sure. And so he opened up the trunk, and he was like, there's nothing in here, and there's some tape and stuff that they had dropped. If you can notice right here.
Yeah, I see that.
Tape, and they dropped some other little things. But anyways, this stuff came out of their trunk.
Okay.
And, they just rolled out, and then that was it. I said, well, all right, well, I moved all the bags from here. I said, well, let me look underneath where your spare tire's at,
Yeah.
And they were like, they didn't want to let me look. And then he tried to fight me, and I was like, you know what, bro? Just get out of here. And I was smart enough to grab the license plate.
Okay. What's your good?
Well, I mean, that's not the vehicle.
Yeah, I have all ATL the vehicle out. We're gonna give it to state police. We have a couple of state police officers at Cumming, just in case if they go out that way, then they'll be there.
They'll be rolling through Las Cruces eventually sometime.
Yeah. So it's a attempt to locate. So I'll attempt to locate. You gave us a good plate number. Gave us a plate number so I can put out the whole description of everybody who owns it.
There might be capitals, and there might be a couple.
No, I already got it.
Yes,
I already got everything going. Dispatch took care of that.
Yes, sir.
So at what time did you notice that your door open?
I noticed. I came out here probably about 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, and you noticed it. Then they were still here, right?
I mean, how long did you guys take to respond?
I just got dispatched probably a couple minutes ago.
A couple minutes, so
Yeah.
probably about 15 minutes. Maybe.
Okay, so after you noticed your door
They
open.
left about 5 minutes, and then I got on the phone with dispatch because I let them go because they were saying they were going to shoot up the house.
Yeah.
And my buddy's got his babies in there, and
Yeah.
that's dangerous. And he tried to fight him, and I was like, no, bro, you don't need to fight him. I was like, right now. I was like, right now, bro. I told him right now. I said they got guns, they got stuff. We're not gonna interact in no physical actions. I said, I got the plate number. I said, let's go inside.
Yeah. Hey, pull me a case. Okay. Who's your buddy? You keep saying what's your buddy's name?
His name's Josh.
Josh.
Medina.
Medina?
Yes, sir.
Junior?
Yeah, he's junior.
Okay.
He's not senior.
No, I know.
Yes, sir.
Robert 836.
I know. Junior's about to go in and do some time too, but it had nothing related to it.
No, and I get that. I'm just saying so I can document it because
Yes, sir.
you keep saying buddy, and I just want to make sure. So your buddy used to
Yes,
date
sir.
the ex.
Yes, sir. And they came down, and well, that didn't sound good.
Good. Robert, X-ray, Robert, 836, and if you can issue 25 keys.
Hey, did you hear the shots?
Did you hear shots?
You hear shots going up there?
No.
Go up there.
They conducted the mystery video and arrested them and inside.
Shooting close from here, and I'm going to Ridge Road, ATI. I believe there was possible gunshots in here.
Let me get the case number for you, bro.
10-4.
So, one more time.
Can we have someone stand patrol by chance?
So there's
Or like sweep the.
there's 4 of us. So we'll ATL the area throughout the night from now until 6. From now until a couple days, we'll do a heavy frequent patrol
Yes, sir.
throughout the area. I will get with the sergeant. I'll get with my sergeant to get with the day sergeant to roll it again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me get you a case number and then we'll go from there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So we have the vehicle stopped here on the ridge. They don't. From what we can see in plain sight of the vehicle, we cannot locate you. We can't see that they have your firearms. You're saying you don't want to pursue charges?
But I mean, they threatened to kill my homie's daughters and stuff. So, I mean, honestly, we should just pursue charges. I think my straps are inside of the trunk, and there might be one in the backpack.
Okay.
And they have my AirPods too. They're tracking them right now, and they're to the location right there off the ridge road, right by the gas station, kind of.
Your AirPods? You're checking your AirPods?
Yes, sir. I'm not driving or nothing. But I can track them right here off of my phone.
Off his phone, you can track AirPods. Really?
Okay. And the girl Alexis, what is she to you?
She's just a friend. I met her in Christmas, and that was it.
She's not your girlfriend?
Or you're not seeing her? You
You're
guys
not
aren't in the
seeing her,
domestic.
not in any
Wait.
romantic or intimate relationships?
No, sir, I'm not.
Okay. Alright, so as of right now, you're tracking your AirPods at which are located, which you can see it's on off of Ridge Road.
Ask if you can send you a screenshot of it on your phone.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir. It says.
Yeah, ask
Okay,
him to
can
send
you
you a screenshot.
screenshot that to me and send it to this number that I'm calling you off of?
Yes, sir.
And then you're wanting to pursue charges.
Let me see. Do you guys have driver's license?
I have my permit.
You ran both of them?
Yeah, they both came back.
What are their last names?
One is, so the one closest to you is Mia Martinez, and she's that solo.
I don't think they're.
So we can call your mom. Or like I'll dial it for you.
It's just said, like, I don't know your number, like, I have to get it from my phone.
We're,
There's never coffee.
I'll go. We'll step out of the vehicle. Where's your phone at?
Right here.
Can I grab it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just right there.
Okay, go ahead and get back in the vehicle. Just sit down. Can I open your phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
It just opened. Yeah, right there.
I got it. We'll call it right here, okay?
Yeah.
What's your name again? She didn't answer? The first time?
When I called her, no.
Hello?
Hello, this is Deputy Martin with the Grant County Sheriff's Office.
Hi.
Is this Miss Salas's mother?
Yes.
Okay. I'm out here in Silver City. We just had an incident where we got a report of 2 stolen firearms from a house, and we were able to track the vehicle that they were reported in, stole it from, and Yvette was inside the vehicle. What's your name?
Uh-huh.
Okay, who is that to you?
She's my niece.
She's your niece. Okay. Does she live with you?
Yes, her and my daughter. Well, all my kids live with me. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so we have them here. They're currently in handcuffs and investigative detention. They're not under arrest. We're kind of just holding them until we figure out what we're going to do. But what's a good address for you? Alrighty, if I have any questions, I have your phone number now. I'll be able to call you on my own phone, okay? So I'm going to hang up right now, and if I need anything else from you, I'll give you a call.
Okay, of
All right.
course.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll put your phone back in your pocket, okay? Want to step back?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and take a seat. Thank you. Step out and face away from me. Which hand is it? Okay. I can only tighten. I can only loosen it just a little bit, barely. Okay.
Damn. Oh, like a pinch.
Yeah, that's all I can do. Is that good?
Nah, like you
I
can't
can
do
stick my
one
finger
more
in
one.
there. I
I
can
mean, that shit's hurting. Like you can't do it above my
Hold on,
bone or
hold on, hold
something. It's full. This one was fine. He fixed it, but
Did he?
this one started hurting me.
Step on more. Okay. There. Better?
Yeah.
Come on, you're back in.
Oh, can you get that for me?
Yeah. Face away. Go ahead. I'm just gonna put this in your pocket.
That's fine.
Hold it.
Hey, but when's my, like, are you guys still trying to figure out, or like?
Yeah, we gotta
Because I'm
investigate.
from Cruces, so like, if my sister.
You have someone expecting your sister?
Huh?
You have your sister expecting you to come home?
What you said?
Is
What?
your sister expecting you to come home tonight?
Come home tonight? Nah, it's because that's who I'm with.
Okay, which one's your sister? Give me one more. All right.
On January 31st, 2025, deputies with the Grant County Sheriff's Office in Silver City, New Mexico, responded to a stolen firearms complaint. This case is worth studying for one reason: a pair of stolen wireless earbuds became the digital thread that led to a felony vehicle stop.
Since you're working on the search warrant, I'm gonna leave the kids in your hands, like the juvenile stuff, and I'm gonna go investigate his DUI.
Well, you're gonna take it, or you want everyone to take it?
Is there more taking it?
It's up to you. If you want it, he won't take. But if you don't want it, he'll take it. That's
Yeah.
fine. We'll take it.
Okay, Alexis, you wanna step out?
Look at him. What a bitch. Oh my god. What happened?
So, I'm gonna sit back here. So you're obviously the driver, right?
Yeah.
I have a feeling you're drunk.
I'm not.
You haven't been drinking today?
I only had like two. Well, one.
1, 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
1 or 2.
Alright, so
I'm
since I feel like you weren't too intoxicated to drive, I'm gonna do, are you running through some field sobriety test? Okay, so let me, alrighty. You can go and stand right there for me. Okay. So you've had, how many?
I only had 2 twisted teas.
How long ago?
And like a little baby shot of a buzz ball. That was like an hour, like 2 hours ago.
Okay. Alright, so based off what just happened, I do think you're under the influence and you aren't able to drive. Okay?
I'm not.
No. So, as of right now, you are going to be placed under arrest, okay? Okay, so go ahead and put your hands around your back.
Can I make a phone call?
We'll work on it. Whose cuffs are these? They were on her. I'll switch you out here in a minute. I have some in my unit. I'm just gonna double lock them for right now.
Why can't you guys just do the blow test? Like, I'm not even drunk.
Okay, so we'll get to that part.
Like, I'm not even like,
We'll get to that part. Let's go over here to my vehicle.
At all.
Oh, I have a guy in my vehicle. I'm gonna have to switch him out. Would one of you guys mind switching my guy out to Sam's unit?
My car, what's gonna happen?
Huh?
My car, what's gonna happen?
So your car is gonna be towed. It's not just being towed because you're driving under influence, and I don't feel like any of you guys are sober enough to drive it, but because we're gonna take it, we're gonna tow it to a tow yard, and we're gonna get a search warrant on it. The one in my unit right here.
And how long is that gonna be?
There's no saying. I'm gonna be able to tell you. So we're gonna wait for him to get out. This is your brother. Let's go to this side. Let's go to this side. Oh here.
Can I get my phone from in there?
No, not that everything has to stay in there. Unfortunately, yeah, I can help if you need. I can get phone numbers from your brother, and I'll write them down.
But I need my boyfriend. It's on my phone.
I'll get your boyfriend's phone number. It's Jordan, right?
No, my boyfriend's not Jordan.
Okay, so that's what we're confused. I thought your boyfriend was Jordan this whole time.
No, my boyfriend's Angel. His number's on my phone. I just need it so when I go in there.
Does your brother have his phone number? No.
Or you know what? Does he have his phone on him?
Yeah.
Huh? Is he allowed to use it?
Eventually, yeah.
Can I call him real quick?
Yeah, step out real quick. I have to search. Turn around. You have anything in your pockets?
No.
Anything in your back pocket? I'll check you back in my hand. You have a bra on?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna check you with my hand bladed, okay? Like this. Okay, you're good. Go ahead and sit down. I'm taking her in. Yeah.
I have him on Facebook for. Can I call him?
I don't want to call him. I just need his phone number so she can have it.
I don't know for.
So she can call him when she gets to the jail.
I think it's in her phone.
Can we get on your phone, text him on Facebook, or we could try to call him on Facebook and get his real phone number?
Can I at least uncouple him?
Okay, bro. You cool with me working your phone while you watch?
Yeah, I ain't tripping. I ain't running. Like we're in the middle of the desert.
I know, bro. But trust me, I work your dog.
I don't with our cops. I need to dick red. I'm just trying to say I gave him a date of birth. That wasn't even true. Yeah.
Where's your phone at? Call out again?
No, it's all the way.
Okay. I got it.
Let me see if I can call it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ooh, man.
This is dead?
Just on my leg.
You want to charge? Let me charge you real quick. You cool with me charging real quick?
Great. Central units, resume normal traffic.
You want to see it real quick?
Huh?
Go ahead and take a seat with her.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna. You cool with me taking my unit and charging it for a couple minutes?
Yeah, I'm tripping.
Okay. So the vehicle is gonna be towed. Everything inside the vehicle is staying in the vehicle. I'm gonna call your mom again, and she's gonna have to come get you guys, or else you guys are stranded. So I'm gonna start making those arrangements real quick, unless you want to call her.
What if she can't come? Like,
You're gonna have to find some ride. Unless you guys want to walk, I don't know what to tell you. I'm sorry. We can't. I can't take you all the way up there, and we're still in this vehicle, and this vehicle is coming with us.
Yeah. We wouldn't even be able to wait at the police station until we were able to figure something out. Just because it is really late too.
Okay. Well, give me one moment, okay? Okay. We're gonna tow the vehicle. Do you have a ride, or somebody that can come pick you up?
Oh, I don't even live here.
Huh?
I don't even live here.
Exactly. That's what I'm asking you, so we can start
I'm
over.
answering your question. I don't live here. I don't
Okay.
have nobody to pick me
Can you
up.
call somebody that would be able to come from Cruises to pick you up?
No.
Are you close with these two girls? Would you be able to go with them?
Yeah.
Okay. So they're gonna go to our office right now. You probably can hang out at our office too until.
And what if my cousin going to jail?
DWI.
DWI not it? No.
Nothing else right now. We're towing the vehicle. We're getting a search warrant on it. So, I'll wait for these two guys that work with me, the sheriff's office. I'll wait for them to set up, and then these guys will probably take you to our office, and you guys can hang out there until you guys get your ride. But they're gonna try to call their mom to come pick them up right now. Okay.
Hello. Deputy Garcia, the Sheriff's Office. Who am I speaking with? Yvette. Yvette? Gloria, you're Andrew's mom. Grandma?
Yes.
Okay, you don't have your driver's license on you by chance?
I have.
Then that's even better. Okay. Alrighty, so just to give you guys a rundown of the story, they got into some trouble, apparently stealing guns, apparently. I don't know if it's true or not, so they refused to search the vehicle. So now Alexi's vehicle's waiting for a search warrant. Okay. She's going to jail, obviously, for the warrants. That she has 2 warrants, and then obviously the DWI. They kind of want to talk to the detective right now, so it should hopefully take not that long. They want to talk. They're at their own free will.
They want to talk to the detective?
Yeah, to basically tell their side of the story. They're at their own free will. They read their Miranda rights. They're all the ones who can talk to them are going to be Alexis, Dominic, and another one. Those are the only ones that want to talk. I think they're already been advised that they can leave. They don't have to stay here. There's nothing holding them. The only one that's staying is Alexis. So they're already been advised. So I will let them know if they want to leave, they can leave. If they don't, they can give me a little bit so they can get the side of the story with the detective, so we can kind of go on from there.
Under Illinois versus Gates, decided in 1983, probable cause is judged by the totality of the circumstances. A first-hand citizen complaint, a recorded license plate, and real-time device tracking data together satisfy that standard with room to spare. When a private citizen voluntarily shares tracking data with police, the third-party doctrine allows officers to act on it without a warrant. The Fourth Amendment restricts government searches, not choices made by private parties acting on their own initiative. The high-risk stop that followed drew every occupant out at gunpoint and into handcuffs. Under Terry versus Ohio and Pennsylvania versus Mims, this level of restraint during an investigative detention is permitted when firearms are involved. Handcuffing alone does not convert a detention into an arrest, provided the restraint is proportional to the perceived threat. This distinction matters at every suppression hearing where the defense argues custody attached earlier than the state concedes. Miranda warnings were administered before any substantive questioning of the adult suspects. Under Berghuis versus Tompkins from 2010, the right to remain silent must be invoked unambiguously to be effective. Silence alone is not invocation. A suspect must speak the words, or the interrogation may continue. When the driver declined to consent to a search, the deputies did not force one. They towed the vehicle and pursued a warrant, a textbook application of Chambers versus Maroney, decided in 1970. Chambers built on Carroll versus United States from 1925, which created the automobile exception based on vehicular mobility. Officers with probable cause may either search a vehicle on scene or seize it and hold it pending a warrant. Both paths are constitutional. Choosing the warrant path signals judicial oversight and reduces the risk of evidentiary suppression at trial. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamante from 1973, refusal to consent cannot be used as evidence of guilt or to build probable cause. The refusal is a constitutionally protected choice, not a data point in the officer's calculation. Deputies who understand this distinction are dramatically less likely to see their cases dismissed on Fourth Amendment grounds.
Okay.
So where was it where you guys caught them at, or where did they get stopped?
Highway 90. So they were at the house. Guy gave the license plate to the vehicle. One of the deputies saw the vehicle, confirmed the license plate with what was said to us. We did a high-risk stop, which everybody got out of the vehicle at gunpoint, handcuffed, put all in. Alexis, Dominic, and Andrew read their Miranda rights. Alexis stated she would talk, advised that she wasn't going to search, so completely stopped talking there. Dominic stated no. He was under. I don't think he was. Told me he didn't know what was going on, so I took it as advice. He didn't want to talk. I didn't even talk to him, and because Andrew being a juvenile, I can't ask questions without his guardian here. He told me straight up no, he didn't want to talk to me, so kind of where I went. But because of them being underage, you guys have to come pick him up, or I have to call CYFD and start the whole process. So I guess from talking with my sergeant, talked to Mia, which is your Dominic's.
Dominic's girlfriend.
She advised that she's okay to go back home. with you if you want to take her.
Like, yeah, because you said it's Dominic.
So
Andrew,
it's
and 3 girls, right?
So it's Andrew, Dominic, Mia's sister, and this other girl.
Yeah.
This
That's
other
why I'm
friend.
like, I'm okay taking this girl.
I mean,
don't really know anybody
and
else.
that's the other two. I know Mia's sister. That's Mia's sister. I mean, you guys do what you guys. You guys don't want to. They're grown women. They're 18. They're over 18 years old, so they can do what they want. But Mia's able to go back home.
And another thing, so when you guys get the warrant for Alexis' car, she's getting charged for what's in her car.
Whoever's
I just wanna
whoever's
know
stuff is. So what I'm looking for, whatever I'm looking for, is whoever's in the property. If there's nothing in the vehicle, so be it. There's nothing in the vehicle.
But
then,
if there is,
but there is,
I
I
charged to
then
her because it's her car.
it would be charged to whoever, either to her or to whatever. So apparently there's a fine in the bag. So whoever's bag it is, whoever is getting charged. Nobody wants to talk, so it's kind of stuck.
I got you.
You know what I mean? So the victim only wants his guns back. He didn't want to pursue charges, but because of the whole issue, it started a whole.
Well, this guy, I'm pretty sure I know who it is. He's already in trouble for a whole gun charge and all that. And
So it's a bunch of stuff that we've been dealing with since 2:00 this morning. So let me get this.
Dominic called me, and they were all laughing in the background.
Yeah, what I
It
heard.
was a joke, and I just hung up on him. I was like, he's like, Alexis is going up for DUI.
Yeah.
And I was just like, okay. Like, I heard them laughing, giggling. I heard Alexis laughing in the background. So I hung up thinking, like, what are you guys doing? Like, what are you guys on playing at this time of the morning? You know what I mean? So I just hung up until my cousin called me.
Yeah.
And that's when I was like, okay, like, it's for real. So why are they laughing about it?
God.
Why are they making a joke out of it?
Are you with the mom?
Yeah, 10-4. I'm talking to him in the lobby. Yeah, so he wanted to tell you guys basically what it was. He told me nothing. So whenever you called the last time, I didn't want you guys to go all the way.
I guess they want to leave already.
Definitely. Let me get the ID, then they can leave. He didn't want me to tell you what really happened.
Where they were at.
Yeah, where they're at. So I didn't want you guys going into El Paso.
That's what I was like.
If you guys are in Grand County.
She said Silver City. And I'm like, Dominic, where are you at? He's like, for what? You're not going to come pick us up. I'm like, I'm going to go pick you guys up. Where are you at? He's like, in El Paso. He's like, you're in El Paso? Girl, just said you were in Silver City.
Yeah.
He's like, well, we are. And then that's when I heard you in the background. He's like, your mom, can I talk to her?
Yeah.
I was like, this ain't no joke.
No, and that's what I'm trying to get them. It's a whole different ball game, I
And
guess,
they
for
think
people.
like everything is a joke. I said,
Yeah.
so when their little asses are sitting in jail for a long time.
Yeah.
Right now it's like a slap on the hand. You're in and out. Okay.
Yeah.
I said, but when you're sitting in there like Alexis.
Yeah.
She's gonna sit in there for a while. That's
Yeah,
it.
so with her, because one of her warrants is
She had 2 of them.
pretty high, she might get transported from here to Cruces. So she might stay a little bit before.
Okay, but she'll get back to Cruces, right?
She might.
Okay.
So there's a difference. So sometimes the jail, they might go through Google Meet and get it out here, or they might transport her because of the high bond. She has a bond after she gets arraigned, but it's $2,100 for one ticket. And I don't know who has an extra $2,000 to provide. You know, I mean, that's up to you guys, but I mean, that's what she has. So she can either get, something might happen, good luck for her. She might get arraigned, can see the judges, and then get out here, or Dona Ana might send deputies to come transport her back to Cruces.
Okay.
And
So when does she see a judge here?
today she'll see it whenever she gets to jail. Right now she's not at the jail because I thought she wanted to speak, but now everybody wants to go home. So be it. Everybody can go home. If there is charges, I have everybody's information. We'll just send the warrant out or a summons and kind of go on from there. Okay. So if you guys want to follow me, we can go and get your guys' children.
The driving under the influence arrest raises a distinct evidentiary concern. Under New Mexico Statute Section 66-8-102, impairment must be proven, not merely suspected. Standardized field sobriety tests, the horizontal gaze nystagmus walk and turn and one-leg stand are the recommended foundation for that proof. This body camera does not clearly capture those tests being administered before the arrest announcement. New Mexico case law does permit arrest based on the totality of observations, driving behavior, and admissions of consumption. But absent documented field tests, the prosecution rests on materially weaker evidentiary footing at trial. The Implied Consent Act, Section 66-8-107, provides a partial safety net. Any driver on a New Mexico roadway consents by law to chemical testing after a lawful driving under the influence arrest. Refusal triggers automatic license revocation. Compliance produces the single strongest piece of evidence in most impaired driving prosecutions. The presence of a juvenile in the vehicle triggered an entirely separate body of law. Under New Mexico Statute Section 32A-2-14, a child in custody may not be interrogated without a parent, guardian, or attorney present. Deputies correctly halted questioning and contacted family. Under Fair v. Michael C. from 1979, that compliance protects any later statement from suppression. The victim's stated wish not to pursue charges reflects a common misconception about American criminal procedure. Charges are filed by the state, not by the victim. A prosecutor may weigh preferences, but the decision belongs to the district attorney. Where firearms have been stolen and threats have been made, the state's interest generally proceeds, regardless of victim preference. 2 outstanding warrants on the driver provided an independent basis for custody. If the driving under the influence probable cause were later challenged, the arrest would still stand on warrant authority alone. Independent bases for detention are among the most underappreciated concepts in Fourth Amendment litigation. The search of the driver's person before transport was justified under United States v. Robinson from 1973. A search incident to a lawful custodial arrest requires no additional justification. It is automatic and complete. Deputy Martin earns a B+ for consistent constitutional compliance and clear articulation of probable cause on camera. Deputy Garcia earns a B for professional communication, weakened by the gap in documented field sobriety testing. The driver earns a D+ for one constitutionally sound choice against a backdrop of decisions that made arrest inevitable. The victim earns a C+ for correct instincts undermined by his own intoxication during the initial statement. The Grant County Sheriff's Office earns a B+ for coordinated tactics and appropriate deference to the warrant process. 4 practical lessons emerge from this footage. First, digital tracking of personal property is now a first-order evidentiary tool and belongs in every investigative playbook. Second, refusing consent is a constitutional right, not evidence, and the correct police response is a warrant, not escalation. Third, in any incident involving a juvenile, questioning must stop until statutory safeguards are in place or suppression is nearly certain. Fourth, victims should understand that reporting a crime activates the state's interest and the decision to prosecute no longer belongs to them. And beyond the courtroom's secure storage of firearms remains the single most effective preventive measure against exactly this type of theft. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.